From this video, you will get tips to prepare for FCSS_EFW_AD 7.6 FCSS, Enterprise Firewall 7.6 Administrator. FCSS_EFW_AD 7.6 Exam Overview. Exam details. Exam topics. 1. An administrator wants to scale the IBGP sessions and optimize the routing table in an IBGP network. Which parameter should the administrator configure? A. Network import check. B. IBGP enforced multi-hop. C. Neighbor group. D. Root reflector client. Answer: D. 2. A FortiGate device with UTM profiles is reaching the resource limits, and the administrator expects the traffic in the enterprise network to increase. The administrator has received an additional FortiGate of the same model. Which two protocols should the administrator use to integrate the additional FortiGate device into this enterprise network? Choose 2. A. FGSP with external load balancers. B. FGCP in active mode and with switches. C. FGCP in active-passive mode and with VDOM disabled. D. VRRP with switches. Answer: A, B. 3. An administrator is designing an ADVPN network for a large enterprise with spokes that have varying numbers of internet links. They want to avoid a high number of routes and peer connections at the hub. Which method should be used to simplify routing and peer management? A. Deploy a full mesh VPN topology to eliminate hub dependency. B. Implement static routing over IPsec interfaces for each spoke. C. Use a dynamic routing protocol using loopback interfaces to streamline peers and routes. D. Establish a traditional hub and spoke VPN topology with policy routes. Answer: C. 4. What action can be taken on a FortiGate to block traffic using IPS protocol decoders, focusing on network transmission patterns and application signatures? A. Use the DNS filter to block application signatures and protocol decoders. B. Use application control to limit non-URL-based software handling. C. Enable application detection-based SD-WAN rules. D. Configure a web filter profile in flow mode. Answer: B. 5. Which two statements about IKEv2 are true if an administrator decides to implement IKEv2 in the VPN topology? Choose 2. A. It includes stronger Diffie-Hellman (DH) groups, such as elliptic curve (ECP) groups. B. It supports interoperability with devices using IKEv1. C. It exchanges a minimum of 2 messages to establish a secure tunnel. D. It supports the Extensible Authentication Protocol, EAP. Answer: A, D. 6. What is the initial step performed by FortiGate when handling the first packets of a session? A. Installation of the session key in the network processor, NP. B. Data encryption and decryption. C. Security inspections such as ACL, HPE, and IP integrity header checking. D. Offloading the packets directly to the content processor. CP. Answer. C. 7. An administrator is setting up an ADVPN configuration and wants to ensure that peer IDs are not exposed during VPN establishment. Which protocol can the administrator use to enhance security? A. Use IKEv2, which encrypts peer IDs and prevents exposure. B. Opt for SSL-VPN web mode because it does not use peer IDs at all. C. Choose IKEv1 aggressive mode because it simplifies peer identification. D. Stick with IKEv1 main mode because it offers better performance. Answer. A. Subscribe and like past questions.